Oh!
God. Ow. I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened? Stop. Dude. Give me the... Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
What a tease.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
But can I help you? No, I'm trying to poop.
Oh, that's good. Yep. I know you're about to bite me.
What is it? Still just purring away. You okay?
Why are you taking my food?
No.
Huh?
Do it. Oh, those are my Cheetos! What are you doing? Bagel, no! Bagel!
Yes, it's a wig.
Animal of this.
No, my boy! Father, help!
Yay, bro.
Are you stuck?
Shut up.
Excuse you!
Do a flip!
你好 How are you 啊？
Vậy bạn ơi.
Meow, 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 ow! Are you gonna put that in the data?
Stop.
Sit.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
Matters most. Not only do you have a
When do we want them? Meow!
Hey.
Come here, guy. Buddy.
There to guard the fleet overnight in the event there was anything else.
You fucker.
Really careful. Not yet. Roger. You would
Hello, it's me.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Ma'am.
Oh, you.
Give me a high five. Thanks.
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're
Meet na.
Boss for amazing. I let you beat it. I'm loving this ride.
You good? Good?
Catnip. Was it you?
Niye bağırıyordunuz ya? Kaç kişiydiler?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
It's gonna be hot.